Everything is green. That's 5 coats and, I don't know, 10 cans of spray paint. I've had enough. It's not perfect, but I'm running out of money and patience. So that's going to have to do for the hull. And I've also managed to spray paint my heaters green here. And everything else that hasn't been tarped up. The good news is it's just a light dusting and it wipes off. So my floor's kind of green. And my shop vac has green on it here. And green, green. And this is supposed to be green. So it looks still a little blotchy, but it's still wet. I just finished putting the last coat on about 3 minutes ago. And more green. So I'm gonna let this set up for 24 hours and then take the masking tape off, and then I'll be into my orange phase. So, green, green, green.